Hello everyone, welcome to my next video. Here in this video now I am going to show you how to download Python. How to download and install Python. Okay. Now internet connection is needed to download. Here see internet access is showing you. Then after that you need to open Google Chrome. Okay. Just type here. It is very simple and easy. Just type here, that is Python download. Okay. You need to type Python download. Okay, then click on this option. See, a link will be open to download Python. Click on this link, you will be redirected to this page. Then click on download Python option. See, here it is downloading. After downloading, it will show you that download has been completed. See, Python download completed. Here show in folder option is there. Okay, click on this option. You have entered now to the download folder. Here double click on this. Okay, then it is asking you to install now or customize installation. Okay, then go for install now. Okay, then it is installing. Setup in progress. It is installing. Then after completing installation, we can open and use the Python software. Okay, it is very easy and very simple to download and install the Python. See here, it is taking little time. Okay, very short time it will be installed. See, setup was successful. Now click on close button. Close this. Now I'm showing you how to open this. Close everything. Click on start button, whether it is Windows 10, Windows 7 or Windows 11. Then go to all programs or all apps. Okay, here go to Python. Okay, give scroll till you get Python. Here you will get Python. See, Python is there. That is Python version it is showing. Click here. Then click IDLE Python. Okay, option. Don't click on any other options. If you click here, your IDLE Python will be opened. This is a shell mode, IDLE mode, IDLE shell. Okay, one more is there script mode. Here just you can use only one line or shortest programs. Okay, click on file option, then click new file. Here you are getting the script mode. Okay, both the things I have kept open. In the next video I will show you how to work with Python programs. Till then, thank you. Subscribe my channel. Once again I am requesting you to subscribe my channel.